Today, I've got a few Rubik's Cube challenges. Let's see how fast I can solve them. So the first one is just going to be no inspection at all. So I'm just going to randomly scramble the cube and then just instantly store it. Normally I would have planned the entire cross during inspection, but I couldn't plan anything this time. So it's obviously going to be slower. I normally average around 15, so an 18 with no inspection is not bad. For this next one, I'll be doing edges only, and I've never done this before, so it might be a little bit slower than my normal solves, but let's just start. I'm just gonna try and solve it just one piece at a time to make it easier, because I've never done this. And that was a little bit faster than my normal solves. So for this next one, I'm just gonna try to solve one side of colors, not the whole layer, just one side, and this one should be a lot faster than my normal solves. And yeah, that was a lot faster than my normal solves. And now, for this last one, I will just be solving 4 sides of the cube. Not the whole thing, just 4 sides. And I have an idea of how I'm going to do this. I've never done it before, but I'm just going to see if it works. One, two, three, 4 sides. So what I did there is I solved to almost the end of the cube, and then I did this algorithm which flips these 2 pieces with these 2 pieces, and that makes only 4 sides solved. And this was a little bit slower than my normal solves, but it was the first time I've ever done this, so it makes sense. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.